Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Valorant slow download, and in this video I will show you a few solutions for that. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to on your favorite browser you need to just write games server status, and probably it will be the first link here, and you need to look if the Riot Games servers is fully operational, right? So as you can see here, then you need to just select the language here and select the basically server and region, and then if there is no problems with their servers, you will get a message, no recent issues or events to report. So if it's that, then you need to basically check your internet speed, download speed, and look if you have good download speed. And of course, if you do not, maybe limit some devices, or maybe restart your router. And if the problem persists here, what you can do here next is to, of course, go to your desktop, close on your task manager and everything related to Valorant, Riot Client, Vanguard, or all the stuff here. And also on the bottom right corner here should be Vanguard thing here, so you can exit here. And after you do that, then you need to go to device manager and make sure you update your network drivers. So as you can see here, there is network adapters here. If you know what device you're using here, you can instantly go and update driver here, and then search automatically for drivers. But if you don't really know what device to update, I highly suggest you to update all of the things here. And then what you can do here, you can also change DNS server address. So on the bottom right corner should be network here. Just right click on that, go to open network and internet settings, and then go to change adapter options here, and then right click on your network here, and then go to internet protocol version 4, and make sure to use following the DNS addresses here. You can write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you can write 8.8.4.4, and then apply, and then try to basically download Valorant and look if your internet speed increased or not. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.